Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Andrea Shelton, please. Andrea Shelton is called in 235047. There is no answer in the courtroom. I am asking the bailiff to call into the hall for Andrea Shelton. Probation.
Yeah.
Come on up. We now call 235047, the state of Texas versus Andrea Shelton. That's you.
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Smith is the probation officer in this case. I've received a letter dated February 26th that states you are failing to adhere to the conditions of probation, which this court is not happy about. Have you gotten a copy of this? Have you seen a copy of this?
Well, that's the first time I've heard of anything like this.
There's a problem.
What's the problem?
I'm about to tell you. On January 26th of this year, probation office obtained written verification that indicated your last doctor's appointment was on August 28th, 2023. The document advised that you were scheduled to return on December 8th, 2023, but failed to do so to the doctor's office. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Due to the time frame, this indicates the defendant would be out of her mental medications as of December 8th, 2023. Of course, all medications that are prescribed must be taken. Do you understand?
Yes.
What happened on that?
I haven't missed taking my medication. Every time I go report, I have my medication on me.
This says that you were to return on December 8th, I guess, to the VA.
I haven't missed any appointments.
Did you return on December 8th, 2023 as required? Did you or did you not?
Yes, I did.
This says she didn't.
She told me she didn't. She had to call them and reschedule. I don't know. I think work interfered or something.
Additionally,
I mean, that was so long ago, that I probably don't remember. That was in 2023. We are in 2024.
Are we?
Yeah. So that was so far ago. I haven't missed any appointments.
It was
I
just
did just miss one. I did just miss one appointment, but
it was
I'm
just a
still
few months
current on
ago.
my medication.
It was just a few months ago. It was in December. This also goes on to state that you failed to adhere to the GPS monitoring device. As of Johnny's Auto, on a document provided on January 26th, you were $575 behind on your GPS device payments. Your monitor has been deactivated on that date. Thus, you are not following the condition of the GPS monitoring. Would that be true?
No, it's not, because that wasn't one of my conditions that I signed for. I didn't sign for ankle monitors.
I have
Lacey, I can't,
the
I don't have
information from
probation.
Johnny's.
Here, can you find the probation order? Quickly.
She was found not guilty by reason of insanity. You're just having probation monitor her.
Oh, okay, she's not on a probation status of any reason.
There's a special
Oh, okay.
prosecutor involved. So
Okay, who's the special prosecutor in you? Was somebody supposed to be here?
Anderson from Georgetown. No, sir, I don't think he was notified because it doesn't say on there that. you're supposed to be
Okay.
here, but there was.
From probation, what is it that she is ordered to do that she has failed to do? Yes, ma'am.
From what I understand,
Mhm.
she came with a GPS monitor to my office. We were under the impression that it came from the court.
Yeah, I want to know what authority I have over her right now. Does anybody know?
Just, whenever a person's found not guilty by reason of insanity on a violent crime, you have the ability to either have them monitored outpatient or inpatient, and I think you decided on this one outpatient. But I don't know, as far as if she's not following the regimen, then I think you can place her back, you can change your mind and have a hearing and put her back into.
Yeah, I want to know what my remedies are.
I think that's.
Which is
the
what?
remedy would be to put her back in a hospital, or put her in a hospital if she's not doing it outside. Because it was a violent crime that I think she was charged with.
Okay.
If you did order the GPS device in, looks like October of 2022, so.
All right, that has to get done.
Judge, as far as me, my appointments and stuff with my doctors, I've been going to my doctors. I actually just got on a new medication. And I've been taking my medication. I have just missed one appointment this March, but I haven't been missing any appointments.
The GPS device is what I'm most concerned about, so
Well,
that we know.
Well, the thing is, I'm not on house arrest.
I'm sorry,
Judge.
did you interrupt? Don't interrupt. Let me finish my sentence.
You can-
The court is going to order certain reasonable conditions, and if not, then I will change the order and place you back in confinement in a facility. That's my remedy if you don't follow the rules or if you're defiant. These are easy to follow. They are, let's make sure we know where you are at all times and you report to the doctor regularly. Otherwise, you will lose your freedom. Is that clear?
I'd rather lose my freedom than have to walk around with ankle monitor.
Then,
You're not tracking.
then send me an order and we will have a hearing. You're either going to follow the rules or not. It's that simple. Send me an order, we'll have a hearing. I will decide whether she needs hospitalization
Okay.
but defiance is not an option with this board.
Got reviewed by Dr. Groupon in the last year, so you're not worried
Defiance is
about my
not,
psychological state at all.
that is all,
Have
that
I
is
been
all.
reviewed?
We will be, you're defiant on the rules. You're not following the
She
rules.
told me I could take off my ankle monitor. She told me that she talked
Is
to me
that
before.
true?
Yes, she told me that she
Johnny's
talked
told
to.
me that they wanted their monitor back because
She's not paying, okay.
And so
Well,
I
you have
told
to
her,
pay
we'll
for the
give it back
monitor to
to
have
them.
it monitored, man. And just your failure to pay, that's your fault. Everybody's got to pay for the monitor. So if you don't have the monitor
Why would
on,
you
that's a
have my
problem.
location?
You're gonna interrupt me we're gonna do this all day?
No, sir. May I speak?
Yes, quickly.
I check in every month with my probation officer. Nobody tells me when to go in and when not to go inside. I
I'm
don't have a
ordering you to
curfew.
have a
I don't have a
GPS.
curfew, sir.
I'm ordering you to have a GPS device. You will pay for it until further orders of the court, so we know where you are. It's that simple. Either do it or not. If it's not done within 2 weeks, let me know. You will be brought here and we will take further hearings up as to whether you should convert your freedom into a hospitalization because you're not following the rules of the court setting. These are simple. These are simple. That is all. Get a resetting. It's your choice. You're going to make a choice. On Julian Perez, 2 weeks. Julian Perez, come on up.